Good day everyone. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to share you the best way to install or uninstall Google Chrome from your laptop. So if you want to uninstall Chrome from your laptop, you need to do a right click in the start icon, go to run and type appwiz.cpl. I'll maximize it so that you can type it. Once you have typed it, click on OK. And here you will find programs and features. And under uninstall or change a program, so to remove Google Chrome from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop, you just need to select Google Chrome, do a right click and click on uninstall. And once you click on uninstall, it will ask you to say yes and just follow the instructions. Click next few times and you will be able to uninstall or remove or delete Google Chrome from your laptop. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.